Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. After SB19's Busking in Singapore, we headed to Marina Bay to catch the light show and Popmart drone show. I also did a quick unboxing of my 1999 jersey and 7 Scenes hoodie to pick my OOTD for the concert. And of course, I'll share the highlights from Simula at Wakas Singapore. Watch out for my next upload for the full concert run and global fan package review. So sit back, enjoy, and let's relive these amazing moments together. Oh, andito na po ang isa sa mga budol. Isa sa mga let's unbox the Kulin oversized. Kulin ba? Ganun yung pagkakaano nila. Okay, let's see if isang kamay nasa camera. Sige, tanggalin nga natin. Oh my God! May kasama ba daw picture? Yung iba meron. Pero baka ano lang yun nila. Nilagay lang nila. Let's see! Ano bang laman ng bayong? Uy, made in the Philippines? Ay, so.
Pagod yan, pero nag-unbox na
siya. Ang ganda. See-through siya. Hello. Jersey nga eh. Oh, nice. Baliktad. Let's do this. Josh Cullen. So nice. Kaso ang laki. Kaya nga oversize eh.
Hindi ba sabi mo, ganun yung gusto ko?
Oo. Parang pwede na siyang dress. Ang ganda niya though. Nice quality.
Siyempre, Josh Cullen yun.
Yeah. Ganda niya. Next on my list, the 7 Scenes of our Admiral Superior Son. All of the names. Let's open it with our hands. Unboxing ng 7 Scenes. Wow! It's a hoodie. Ay, ang ganda din niya. Yes. Ang ganda ng quality.
Ang ganda ng quality. Ang ganda ng tela. Kasi hindi siya mainit sa
Oo.
sa balak.
Pero ang laki pala nitong size na to.
Oo. Pero yung pinakita sa'yo ng picture.
Oo. Maganda siya.
Hindi naman yung hood. May logo na 7 Scenes.
Ang ganda ng
Quality, no?
Yeah.
Ito yung hood.
Hood.
Diba?
Cool. O 7 Scenes. Yung harap, meron ba? Ito din, meron din.
Hindi ko malala may logo mo ba sa dibdib yan?
Wala.
Diba? Kaya
Ito
sobrang,
lang. Oo,
sobrang,
minimalist na.
Oo, minimalist.
Hindi siya sumisigaw.
Yeah.
That's good. Nice. Ganda din. Today is the day. So, yun. We were so busy yesterday. So, we just roam around Singapore. Went to the outlet stores. And then went to the busking event for SB19, which I have uploaded already. And then after that, we went to the light show in Marina Bay, and after that, we just went back to the hotel. It was so tiring. I think our bodies couldn't handle that type of energy stuff that we need to do, those activities. So, and take note, we just came out from the airport. We just arrived yesterday, so yeah, everything happened yesterday. So many things that happened yesterday. And then now it's the day, it's the concert day. So just preparing myself, which there I have already got my merch, which is the 1999 merch. It's the Josh Cullen one. I'll show you the back. And yeah, I am just gonna enjoy the rest of the afternoon and night for the concert. So we're gonna go fan zone, meet 18, meet my 18 sisters from New Zealand as well, and then fan zone, activities, booths, and then concert, and then the high and buy session. Hopefully that will all went smooth, and maybe dinner afterwards. So we'll see how it goes today. So yeah, see you.
day I thank God for the chance to stand and to grow right beside you, no matter how hard it gets. We'll see it through. Thank you so much, team. We love you all so much. Thank you for your never-ending love and support. Singapore will be back. This is our home. This is our show. This has been SB19. Thank you so much.
Once again, give it up for SB19.